guys, Helen here. Welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. So I am so excited about this one. This is the Bonbon Box, the carnival themed goodie box from the Bonbon Factory, and it contains 10 goodies in here valued at over $150, and it is retails for $99. So I haven't opened it. It smells so good, and that is the outside of the box. I can't wait to see how good the inside of the box smells. So in here we have the goodies that are all carnival themed, which is so clever. And then, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, so this is what the box looks like on the inside. The, of course, Bonbon Factory themed logo and all the little imagery in there. It's so cute. So in here, I was right, you guys. It smells like 100 times better on the inside than it does on the outside. Oh my god, that's so good. So we've got the little carnival flyer there. So hot dog, sherbet and popcorn. I mean, seriously, what else does a girl need? Really? Nothing. Alright, so first of all we have got the Bonbon Factory Room Shake. This one is in Raspberry Lamington, and it literally smells like a Raspberry Lamington. I have this one and I use this in my beauty room all the time. My clients come in and they love the smell of my room. So I am so glad to see this in there. My absolute fave. Next we have... So then we have the popcorn lip balm. I'm so excited to see what this smells like. Oh my gosh. It smells like buttered popcorn. Oh, yum. So this is the popcorn lip scrub. Use a generous amount, apply the scrub to your lips in a circular motion. Let it to sit for 1 to 2 minutes and then remove with a warm washcloth for soft moisturized lips. Oh, again, the buttered kind of popcorn smell. Yum. Alright, then we have the Gelato scrub, and I'm just going to open this guy up. This is like Christmas. Like, who doesn't want a box of goodies delivered to their door? So as you guys know, the Bonbon Factory are vegan friendly and cruelty free, and also plant-based ingredients, so they are good for everybody. So next up we have the Pretzel Mousse Body Wash. I'm not sharing this with anybody in my shower. So it's got the salted pretzel top on there, so it's going to exfoliate as well as clean your body. Yum. So next we have the Marshmallow Facial Cleansing Mousse. Oh my goodness. Are you guys surprised? Like, every single time I'm like, smells so good. Like, it's a given. It's gonna smell amazing. Okay, I'm running out of space here because there is so much goodness in this one box. Hang on, I just rearrange a little bit. So this is the hot chocolate body butter. Oh my goodness. Let's give it a sniff. Okay, yeah, it smells like hot chocolate and vanilla kind of infused together. Oh, that's so good. Okay, so we're hitting the bottom of the box, but there are still some pretty yummy treats to go. So next we have the Hotdog Scrub Bar. This looks good enough to eat. Wow, that is so clever. And then we have the Sherbet Bath and Foot Sprinkles, which I think I'm going to be using tonight. And I can smell them through the pack. So this is the Sherbet Bath and Foot Sprinkles, which you can pop in the bath or use on your feet. If you've had a really long day, throw it in a foot soak. Just go to your happy place. Okay, last thing in the box, which is kind of essential when you've got all these bath treats. A beautiful white super soft flannel that is just an extra awesome addition. Well thought out box. So I'm so excited about this. This is so cool and such awesome value for money. I'm gonna smell so good and I'm gonna feel so good. It's gonna be a good month. So that is everything that is included in the Bonbon box. You can get your hands on one of these boxes from the bonbonfactory.com. Numbers are limited, so get in quick. But if you do happen to miss out, there might be some more seasonal exciting things coming up around Halloween and Christmas. So if you want to see more of me and the Bonbon Factory, hit that subscribe button up the top, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to go and check out the Bonbon Factory on Instagram. I will pop a link down below for that, and also for myself if you want to come and say hi over on my page. I would love to see you. So yeah, have an amazing day, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you next time. Bye.